Well, greetings there again, fellow model builders. Hope you are having a pleasant Saturday. Here is the progress so far on the F-102 Delta Dagger. And progress is slow, but it's coming along. I got it all sanded down. I got the cockpit completed, as you can see here. And the way the cockpit goes into this fuselage is it kind of slides in through the back, and it's almost like a pressure fit. It was so tight when I got it in there, it wasn't going to move, but just to be sure, I did put some Zap-A-Gap right there, and unfortunately it started to split the fuselage right there, but it's okay now. I'm just gonna have to sand that down a little bit. But there's the instrument panel. Get it to focus here. Pretty deep well kind of cockpit there, and got the ejection seat right here. I don't know the name of the manufacturer of this ejection seat, but it's similar to the one that's in the F-106, but I believe this one was not rocket assisted. I believe the one in the F-106 was. There's actually a very cool video on YouTube of a test that they did of the F-106 ejection seat, a live test. I want to say it was called Project 90. And if I can find it, I'll put a link to it in this video, and it's very interesting. The gentleman that tested the seat displayed incredible bravery for what he did, and something I don't know if I could do. I think it would be quite a ride to try that, but I did my reference for the instrument panel with my book here. This is a detail and scale book, and on the back it has a picture of F-102 cockpit, and this is actually of a QF-102 that was converted to a drone. So I think it's safe to say that this cockpit is now unfortunately spread all over the desert somewhere. But the front of the book looks like this, in case you're not familiar with detail and scale. They were written by Bert Kinsey, and it's a great reference for a model builder. A lot of good pictures in here. Most of them are in black and white, but let me just set that there. It's probably not going to stay, but good reference for model builders. A lot of good pictures, and gives a lot of good information too. But that's about it for now with the F-102, and got the J57 right there. All now, the paint I used for this was the metal what do you call it, metallizer testers, and use burnt metal, and I also use the magnesium. These are designed specifically for airbrushing, but I don't brush it. I paint it on using a brush, and then I'll buff it. And let me see if I can. Once I get the outside done, it'll be a lot more noticeable, but it turns out pretty good. The F4 I did, my F4 Phantom, the metal parts I did with the metallizer and just buffed it. So, but anyway, that is it for now for the F-102, and I will continue to make progress on it. You all have a wonderful day, and happy model building, everybody. Take care.